He sustains the skill set that was taught by his father, who was taught by his grandfather, who was taught by his great-grandfather. The art of making the Zellige tile. It's about walking into a space and feeling something, an experiential design that in some way moves you, a floor that when walked on barefoot connects you to the earth, a feature wall that makes your heart move. Tiles of Ezra promotes the sustainability of craftsmanship. We are proud of the transparency of our product development, that we know the men whose hands have made our tiles. Continue their story in your home with our range of mosaics. Tiles of Ezra consists exclusively of a team of qualified interior designers that are here to guide you, not only in your selection of tiles, but also in bringing out the best of your interior and your home. We have the utmost respect for our product and our clients. I think that the beauty of our tiles are really in the imperfections and the unique nature of them all. Knowing that when you buy a Tiles of Ezra mosaic, you are owning one of its kind. But the exclusivity of our product goes so much further than just this. It's about having the knowledge and the comfort that our factories are not sweatshops. That every order placed provides the sustainability of a craft in Morocco. Knowing that the clay and the tiles themselves are produced by the very hands of our artisans. Zellige is a very particular art form. Every single step of the process is 100% crafted by hand. We have great pride in the skill set of our team. And so when you choose Tiles of Ezra, you have the comfort knowing that we are only producing the highest of quality. So it's time that we bring the handmade into our interiors, creating emotionally healthy and experiential spaces. Spaces that feed the soul and make us move inside.